Hello everybody, welcome back to another session of Mathematics Made Easy. I have a question. 15% of articles were completely burnt in a shop due to fire accident. 10% of the remaining articles were partially burnt and 5% of the rest were deformed. The number of articles unaffected by fire was 29,070. Find the initial number of articles in the shop. So due to fire accident, 15% of the articles were burnt. Here we are going to find the total number of articles in the shop. Let us take total number of articles equal to X. Total number of articles equal to X. So X articles were there in the shop. Out of these X, 15 were burnt. 15% of X were burnt. Then number of articles burnt equal to number of articles burnt is equal to 15% of X, which can be calculated by 15% is nothing but 15 by 100. Whenever we are removing percentage symbol, we have to put there into 1 by 100. So 15 by 100 into X. Now cancel 5 table here 3 times, here 20 times. We get 3x by 20. So 3x by 20 articles were burnt due to fire accident. And next it is given 10% of the remaining articles were partially burnt. Now we have to find remaining articles. Remaining articles equal to total number of articles minus 15% of the articles which were burnt. Total number of articles X minus 15% of the total number of articles is equal to 3x by 20, which is equal to, take LCM here, it is 20. We get 20 into X, 20x minus 3x, which is equal to 17x by 20. So 17x by 20 articles. In this number, 10% of the articles were partially burnt. Now 10% of 17x by 20 were partially burnt. Partially burnt. So number of articles which were burnt partially, equal to 10% of this number. So 10% of this number is 17x by 20. 10% of 17x by 20. Now I will make here total number of articles equal to X. And 15% completely burnt. 15% which are burnt completely, which were burnt completely is equal to 3x by 20. Next we are going to find 10% of the remaining, which is equal to 10% of 17x by 20. This becomes 10% is nothing but 10 by 100. 10% is 10 by 100 into 17x by 20, which gives, we can cancel 0 in numerator and denominator. This is 17x by 200. So 17x by 200 articles were partially burnt. Partially burnt, number of articles partially burnt equal to number of articles partially burnt is equal to 17x by 200. Next, it is given in the question 5% of the rest were deformed. Now rest of the articles we need to find. Remaining articles equal to total number of articles minus 15% were burnt. We calculated that number is 3x by 20 minus Number of articles partially burnt is equal to 17x by 200, which is equal to, again take LCM, 200 is LCM. We get 200x minus 20 table in 200, 10 times 10 into 3x, which gives 30x minus 200 cancel in 200 one time, 1 into 17x, which gives 17x, which is equal to 200 minus 30, it is 170x, 170x minus 17, this becomes 153x by 200. So these are the remaining articles. In these remaining articles, 5% were deformed. So 5% of 153x by 200 were deformed. So we can take here this number of articles which were deformed. Number of articles which were deformed equal to, which were deformed is equal to 5% is nothing but 5 by 100 into 153x by 200. 153x by 200. Now we can cancel 5 table in this 20 times. Finally this becomes 153x by 4000. Number of articles deformed is equal to number of articles deformed is equal to 153x by 4000. Number of articles deformed is equal to 153x by 4000. And remaining 29,070 were unaffected. So unaffected is equal to 29,070. These articles were unaffected. Now we are going to find total number of articles in the shop. For finding the total number of articles in the shop, we have to take total number of articles is equal to number of articles which were burnt plus number of articles which were partially burnt plus number of articles deformed plus number of articles unaffected. Now again, total number of articles in the shop is equal to number of articles which were burnt completely, which is equal to 3x by 20 plus number of articles partially burnt is equal to 17x by 20 plus number of articles deformed is equal to 153x by 4000. This is 17x by 200. 153x by 4000 plus articles which are unaffected. Unaffected articles were 29,070. Now write all x terms in LHS and constant terms in RHS for finding the value of x. Get these first 3 terms to LHS, then we can find the value of x from that. X, bring 3x by 20 this side, we get minus 3x by 20, minus 17x by 200, minus 153x by 4000, which is equal to 29,070. Now take LCM in LHS. 4000 is LCM. Then 4000 into x is a 4000x minus 20 table in this 200 times 3 into 200, which gives 600x minus 200 in 4000. 20 times 20 into 17x, which is equal to 340x minus 4000 cancel in 4000 one time. 1 into 153, which is equal to 153x is equal to 29,070. Then this is a 4000 minus 4000x minus, add all these we get 3 and 5 plus 4 is a 9. 9 plus 1 it is 1093 x by 4000, which is equal to 29,070. This difference is 10 minus 3 is a 7 here, and this is a 9 minus 9 is 0, and here it is a 9 minus 0 is a 9, and this is a 3 minus 1 is 2. 2907 x is equal to 29,070. Send this denominator 4,000 from LHS to RHS. It comes to the numerator. Then we get x is equal to 29,070 into 4,000 by, it comes to the denominator of RHS, 2,907. We can cancel 2,907 in 29,070 10 times. We get x is equal to 4,000 into 10 is 40,000. So that x we assumed as total number of articles in the shop. Therefore, total number of articles in the shop before fire accident is equal to x equal to 40,000. Thank you so much.